Tutorial about Streamlit custom template, how we can integrate a custom template in Streamlit. So I have an environment, I have installed the Python in that. So I will first know how to install a Streamlit, and then how to use, and then how to customize our HTML template. So if I first I need to install. So if I show you Streamlit, so I don't have Streamlit right now, so let me install it. Install Streamlit. So it will install the Streamlit in my machine. So now I can see Streamlit. If I show you the version, so yeah, I have the Streamlit version 1.2.5, which is the latest version. So now there is a default page we can see with the Streamlit, which is Streamlit hello. By using this command, we can see one default page. So this is the default page of Streamlit. Here we can see some demos and all. So yeah, but we are not using this. We need to create our own page for our projects. So that we can do with the Streamlit, we need to create a Python program. We need to write a simple Python, which is very helpful. So I have one template, HTML template. Maybe you can write, and you see this is the name, and then it is showing as a .py. So it is written in a Python. So in this I have mentioned the CSS and the HTML, simple HTML tag. We can modify it, and we can use as per our requirement. But yeah, and this is the style. I just have used one h1 tag, and for that h1 tag I have written the simple style. So we need to use, for style we need to use this style tag, and for HTML tags we need to use this HTMLs. So now let me create one file, which is my demo html.py. So now I need to import. So let me import Streamlit as ht, and I need to import these templates. Actually these are the templates, so I need to import both of these. So because one of my CSS and one of my HTML template. So from HTML template import CSS comma, and I need to import the both. The second one is index. So see here, the one is the CSS, second one is index. So now I need to display this. So right now if I display, then there will be nothing. Like I have closed this server, so it will be not available now. Let me close this. Okay, if I go here, and then if I run to run a custom HTML template page, we need to write a command streamlit run, and then we need to give our main Python file name. So in our case, the main file name is demo html.py. So we need to give this name, demo html.py. Actually it is not present here. We need to go to that library, downloads, and then HTML. So this is the folder. If I ls, then we can see this demo html.py is present here. Now I'm pressing the arrow key, upper arrow key. If I press here, so yeah, you can see the server is started, but nothing is there at present, because we haven't integrated anything with our HTML here in this. So we can close this server, or we can open this server, and then we can work also. So we just need to refresh after we edit anything here. So let me write something to integrate that. So ht dot, we have one method which is write, which is very powerful method here, and then we need to write here something. First we can integrate CSS, our CSS, and there is one attribute is there, so which is unsafe allow HTML. So if we write as true, then it will read this attribute is we are setting as true because it will read this file. So it will read as a text, but if we need to read as a HTML template, then we need to set it as a true. And then we need to write ht dot, again we need to write our HTML now, so which is index, and again we need to, for read Streamlit to read as a HTML text, we need to write this true. So if I save this now, and then if I again go there and refresh my page, so yeah, we can see this HTML is integrated. And let me show you, if I give it as a false, so by default the value is false, okay, but yeah, we are setting as a true. So if I false, now my CSS will be gone, you see, and it will read as a text because we have integrated it, we have use write CSS, but now since this is as a false, so our it is read as a text only. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys.